Hubbard Hall, our people, your problem solvers. In this demonstration, we are cleaning an aluminum power steering assembly in a cabinet spray washer using Aquaease PL714. Aquaease PL714 is a phosphate-containing, mildly alkaline, low-foaming liquid cleaner being used here at a concentration of 3% by volume at 150 degrees Fahrenheit for a 5-minute cleaning cycle. In a typical enclosed cabinet spray washer, bulky parts are introduced into the chamber and the Aquaease 714 is pumped into the spray nozzles from a remote reservoir where any oils or contaminants are decanted from the chemistry. This allows fresh, clean Aquaease PL714 to be introduced via spray nozzles at high pressure to remove the most stubborn oxides, heat scale, and contamination from the parts. The Aquaease PL714 is running here at 45 psi, and the contaminants and oils can be filtered out of the solution for continuous use. As a liquid concentrate, the Aquaease PL714 has high detergency and a pH of 12 to 12.5, which will provide a thin film of corrosion protection on the base metal.